Warehouse Mobility Enhancements for LN, Lot Blocking and Unblocking. My name is David Scott. I'm a Senior Business Analyst for Factory Track for LN. This video is to explain how this transaction works. First of all, an overview of the transaction. This new transaction provides the user with the capability of blocking a currently unblocked lot or unblocking a lot which is currently blocked. If the lot exists in inventory in multiple locations, it will block or unblock the lot in those different locations. Now I'd like to perform a demonstration. If I go into Factory Track Administration, Modules, Configuration, Parameters, Transaction Set Maintenance, then I can see that there's a new transaction there called Lot Block or Unblock. The only parameter that is available is a default reason code. This is the default blocking code that will be applied when you use the transaction. In order to demonstrate the transaction, first of all, let's have a look in LN for some lots to be blocked. So I've got lot 66, which is for this item in this warehouse and is in location A001 and A002, and I have lot 67, which is currently in location A001. None of these lots are blocked. I now log in to the scanner and go into the inventory submenu. We see a new transaction called Lot Block and Unblock. So in this case, I'm going to scan in the item number I'm blocking, and I'm going to scan in the lot number that I'm blocking. In this case, it doesn't tell me the warehouse and location because it's in multiple locations, and it pre-fills the reason code with my default reason code. If necessary, I can select another reason code, or I can just stick with the one that is there. So this now says it's successful. If I go back to LN and look, I'll see that these two locations have their lots blocked. If I now scan in the same item number and the same lot number, then it comes up with the option to unblock it. I can't change the reason code, all I can do is unblock it. That reverts it back to its original status. If I go back to LN, it now shows as unblocked. So if I try and block the other lot, which is lot 67, in this case it pre-fills the location and the warehouse because it is in a single location. Again, I block it. If I go back to LN, it now shows as a blocked lot. Again, I can unblock it. This completes the demonstration of the lot block and unblock capabilities.